first shrub is barberry, code BETH. Barberry can be distinguished from other plants by its spatulate leaf form. That is, they look like small spoons. Additionally, the branch at every leaf base will have at least one thorn, and oftentimes will be accompanied by red berries. The shrub usually occurs in thick cover, as you can see here. Our second shrub is burning bush, code EUAL. Specific characteristics of this species include the corky branches, as well as what have been referred to as bunny ears. That is, there are 2 terminal leaves on each branch. Young stems and young plants may lack the cork, but if you feel the bark of these small branches, you may even be able to feel and see light brown lines where the cork will later grow from. Young plants can be distinguished by the 2 terminal leaves, as well as the brown lines on the twig ends. Our third shrub is multiflora rose, code ROMU. Significant characteristics for identifying this species include white flowers. No other native rose will have white flowers. They will often have singular pink flowers. An additional characteristic that is key to identifying the species comes at the base of the leaf. If you are able to clearly see a leaf, you can note the stipules at the base of the leaf. Those are those hairy projections. If they are fringed, as in this case, meaning having many of them, that is a clear indication of multiflora rose. Final shrub species is wineberry, code RUPH. Wineberry is easily distinguished by the reddish-purplish hairs which follow the entire plant's stems. Additionally, wineberry has white undersided compound leaves. The combination of red hairs and white underside leaves is characteristic of this species and not found in any of our native rubus species. First vine is Oriental Bittersweet, code CEOR. This vine can be distinguished by its twining nature, its alternate leaves, and the fact that on young stems the leaves are often pointed, but as the leaves grow older and the stem elongates, the leaves become round in nature, almost looking like potato chips. This vine climbs very high into the tree canopy, but will also inhabit the forest floor. Be sure to note the floppy top end of the vine, which may become apparent as the vine climbs in shrubs. Another example of Oriental Bittersweet, note the floppy top and the leaf shape change as we go from younger to older leaves. Our third vine is Japanese honeysuckle, code LOJA. This twining vine also has 2 varieties of leaves, in addition to being opposite-leaved. The leaves, which are slightly soft and papery to the touch, early on are round with maybe a slight point. Yet, as they age, they tend to develop an oak-like appearance. Japanese honeysuckle often crawls along the forest floor, but may climb up small shrubs and trees, forming dense thickets. Last vine is black swallowwort, code CYLO. Black swallowwort is another twining vine which has opposite leaves. The leaves, however, on black swallowwort are much more elongated and pointy than those of Japanese honeysuckle. Additionally, the leaves have an almost leathery texture, are darker green, and more glossy. Another consideration to note when you've found black swallowwort are the milkweed-like purplish black flowers that may be seen at this time of year. There was one vine on our list that is not present here at Sterling Forest. This vine, Polygonum perfoliatum, also known as Mila minute-weed, is code POPE. This vine features triangular-shaped leaves with many small bristly thorns and a bract that collars the plant where the leaf base attaches to the stem of the vine. The only invasive herb we're looking for is garlic mustard, code ALPE. This is an example of a first-year rosette. They are no more than 6 inches tall. Second-year plants, however, may reach a height of up to 5 feet tall, complete with seed pods at this time of year. Note that the basic leaf shape has remained unchanged, except for maybe a slight deepening of the point at the base of the leaf.